the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making copycat Chick-fil-A nuggets. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of milk or buttermilk. We're going to need chicken breast. We're going to need salt, 1 large egg, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of paprika. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And also we're going to need peanut oil to fry our nuggets in. Okay guys, for this first part, we're going to be making the brine for the chicken. And we're going to also be cutting our chicken into cubes for the nuggets. So first I'm going to go ahead and cut our chicken and put that into a separate bowl. Okay guys, as you can see, I went ahead and cubed our chicken breast. Next we're going to take it and put it into a bowl, just like this. Then we're going to go ahead and make our brine. Okay guys, next make sure you have a whisk. We're going to pour our 2 cups of milk into the bowl. Then we're going to pour our 2 teaspoons of salt in. This is going to tenderize your chicken. And also our egg is slightly beaten. So all you do now is go ahead and combine the mixture very well. Okay guys, now that your brine is combined, all you want to do is go ahead and get your cubes of chicken and go ahead and put them in there, just like so. And all we're going to do is mix them up in there, and then we're going to cover them up, and we're going to put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I'm only doing 30 minutes with this, but you can leave it up to 2 hours if you would like. So this is all you do. Coat your chicken up real good. And then just cover it up and put it in your refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay guys, next we're going to make what's called a dredging mix. We're going to add our flour, all our dry ingredients, pepper, paprika, our baking soda, our powdered sugar, and also our salt. All you want to do is get a whisk and go ahead and blend that together real good. Okay guys, once you're done mixing all your dry ingredients, you want to go ahead, it's been 30 minutes, and you want to do 1 piece at a time of your chicken breast. Shake off some of the brine and just go ahead and coat it up real good. Coat it real good in the mixture, and then all you want to do is go ahead and sit it on top of your wire rack. You do that for every piece. Okay guys, all your nuggets should be coated very well by now. Now all we have to do is fill up our pan with peanut oil and wait for it to heat up. Okay guys, once your oil has heated up, we're going to go ahead and start putting our chicken nuggets in. You're just going to keep an eye on them till they start browning, and we're going to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Guys, you may have to do your nuggets in 2 batches. Once they cook and they've browned after the 4 to 5 minutes, you just want to take a plate and put a paper towel on them so you can drain the grease off. As you can see, they're browning nicely, so make sure you guys keep your eye on them. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my first batch and now I'm draining the grease off of them. And I can tell you they are delicious. I already tried one. And this is my second batch. Okay guys, my second batch is about to come out. Okay guys, my nuggets are done and they're draining on a paper towel the excess grease. They came out perfect. They're delicious, they're tender, they're juicy. I can't wait for you guys to try these. Okay guys, I've put my nuggets on a plate and I've made this copycat Chick-fil-A sauce also. So we're going to go ahead and put some to the side. And this tastes exactly like the Chick-fil-A sauce. I hope you guys really try this recipe. You're going to love it. Actually, both. The Chick-fil-A sauce is also on my page. So, here you have it, guys. Copycat Chick-fil-A nuggets with copycat Chick-fil-A sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I hope you come back soon. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Bye guys.